absolutely gorgeous. That is completely vegan. So today's video is all about vegan burgers. You know what? These seem to be all the rage at the moment. Everyone's going on about vegan burgers, whether it's Beyond, Impossible, whatever. And the news that's been kicking off right now is Lewis Hamilton's new burger joint in London. So I'm gonna head to go and try that out. And if you're wondering where I am, this is actually my old flat where we filmed the first ever BOSH video. So Ian and I spent 3 days in this building cooking, filming to make the first few videos, like the watermelon Jaeger bomb and the healthy sushi cake. On this little terrace, I sat down and had the idea for the watermelon Jaeger bomb, which got like 50 million views. Anyway, enough of that, now off to Neat Burger. And here we are. This is Oxford Circus, Soho, and this is Lewis Hamilton's burger joint. Okay, here we have it. This is my very first Neat Burger. This place is supposed to rival McDonald's. I don't know if that's a good thing really, but you know what? If it's fast food for vegans, then I'm happy. Let's have a little look inside. So we've got some like burger sauce going on here. We've also got a, what is quite a rare looking Beyond Burger in there. Lettuce, tomato, check. And some tater tots. I mean, it's quite a rarity to get tater tots in the UK. I don't think I've ever had it here before. Moment of truth. But let's see how this burger tastes. There's not a lot going on here. It's a simple burger. They've got a really tasty little creamy sauce, some cheese, obviously vegan cheese, tomato, lettuce, pretty much the most basic stripped down burger you can imagine, perfectly American. Now that burger, that patty, if you have a look at that, it's really quite a rare patty. Not sure how I feel about that. I think I would have liked it cooked a little bit more. So overall, it's a tasty burger. I mean, it's the Beyond Burger. I know I love the Beyond Burger, and it's amazing that we've got a fast food joint like this that's obviously got its sights set on the UK. Neat Burger, if you're watching this, thumbs up. Well done for opening up a burger joint, vegan, right in the centre of London. Hyped about that. Let's have a little bit more stuff on the menu. I'm sure you've got more things lined up. I look forward to seeing what's next. It's not my favourite burger in London, but I will be definitely eating that again. Speaking of my favourite burger in London, there is another place that does the Beyond Burger, and it's incredible. Is the Beyond Burger at Honest Burger in London. It is gorgeous. Thank you very much, dude. Here we have it. This is the Beyond Burger right here. Look at that presentation. Doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? That is completely vegan. That is a beautiful looking thing. This is the Beyond Burger. This is, I think, the best Beyond Burger in London. In fact, a lot of people are going to be saying down in the comments, I'm sure that they know better vegan places that do better vegan burgers. But like, Honest Burger is all over London. They deliver, they're great on Deliveroo, and they always make this thing taste incredible. Literally just dribbled on my leg, not good. Key features of this burger. First of all, it's a full-on juicy Beyond Burger patty. Look at the size there. It's really well cooked, not too overdone, but not too raw on the inside. The bun is gorgeous too. It's like it's not quite a brioche, but it's a nod to a brioche. It's on its way to a brioche. And then they top it all off with this chipotle mayo and Gouda cheese, which is melty and completely vegan. Incredible burger. If you're in London, get yourself one of these with rosemary chips. It's the plant burger at Honest Burger. I'm gonna be a bit controversial and say I think this is the best Beyond Burger in London right now. I'm sure there'll be more good ones coming soon, but for now, this one takes the prize. Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'm sure this is gonna cause hot debate. What vegan joints do you like to go and eat vegan burgers at? And we're gonna go and check them out. Hit like if you like this video, and subscribe, of course, if you're not already. See you tomorrow. Okay, Alex has got a burger. How are you feeling about this burger, Alex?
I'm excited.
Oh, look at that. Pretty meaty, right?
Best burger in London.
There you have it. Boomer, even Alex says so.